Imagine a car dash camera that combines innovation, technology, and user experience into one sleek package. Meet the ROVE R2 dashboard camera, a product that's making waves in the car accessory market with its impressive features. One user, a tech enthusiast, commended the camera's 4K video quality. He shared, "I've tried many dash cams, but the ROVE R2 4K blows them all out of the water. The 4K video quality is second to none, capturing every detail on the road. And guess what? Even in low light conditions, the night vision feature works like a charm." A long-haul truck driver also shared her experience with the ROVE R2 4K. "When you're on the road as much as I am, you need a reliable dash cam. The continuous power accessory for the ROVE R2 4K is a game changer. It ensures that my camera is always on, capturing every moment of my journey." Another user, a parent of a new driver, highlighted the camera's easy installation. "My son just started driving and I wanted to make sure he's safe on the road. The ROVE R2 4K was easy to install, and the clean installation accessory made it look like a built-in feature of the car." But let's not forget about ROVE's commitment to user experience. One user praised the brand's attentiveness, saying, "I love how ROVE is always looking to improve. They provide free firmware and app updates, ensuring that my dash cam stays up to date with the latest features." The ROVE R2 4K dashboard camera is more than just a car accessory. It's a tool that offers peace of mind, capturing every detail on the road with its 4K video quality. The continuous power accessory ensures that the camera is always on, while the clean installation accessory makes it a seamless addition to any car. And with ROVE's commitment to user experience, you can expect regular updates to keep your dash cam at the forefront of technology. In short, the ROVE R2 4K dashboard camera is a remarkable blend of technology, innovation, and user-friendly design. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a long-haul driver, a concerned parent, or just someone who wants an extra pair of eyes on the road, this dash cam is a wise investment.